2 hours. How you doing? How you doing?
We fixed it, but it's broken. Got a feeling we gon' get this
Black.
wrong. And even I can't be this strong.
Turn around, Mars.
It's a breath that you take right before you die.
Okay, so before we go to the Husky game, we're hitting the Husky game, by the way. Got free tickets, courtesy of my brother-in-law. Shout outs to Carrie Vaughn. Thanks for the thing. Anyways, we're hitting up Dick's. Stop and eat at Dick's because it's the place to Seattle tradition. It's the shit right here. So all I gotta say is go Dogs and go Hawks. Hey Samantha, see? Orange. Orange label or orange wrapper equals the Dick's Deluxe. If you get any other burger at Dick's, well, you could get the special too. That is pretty special. It's just one patty. If you get a cheeseburger, then you're just getting a burger. If you get the hamburger, you're just getting a burger. But if you're at Dick's, you gotta go get the deluxe. The deluxe has the special sauce. That's what makes it special. Okay? So we're gonna do a little bit of our own tailgating. Not very much planning involved here. So, just brought a bottle of rosé. And some Solo cups. I'm not drinking, so.
Tailgating.
Alright. It's kind of what it's fun.
It's fun. See, look. I look at the people. I'm already. Dad, you're supposed to get purple.
Masaya. Come on.
Pwede pala mag-click yun. There's no husky.
If you want to do this one, we can plan it. We go to the game. Alright. You're gonna gather all your what? Alright. Go Dogs. Double cards, that's what you call them?
College girl, she'll break your heart. You lose the sight. That's where it starts. College girl, don't know what she wants, don't know what she needs. Shit is make believe. Shit is make believe.
Okay, Mom, you've only walked like 30 yards, 20 yards. What do you think so far?
This is cool. My first time tailgating. Love it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Basically, what I'm hearing, I'm gonna just gonna check out all the different cornhole boards or cornholes that's out here because there's a lot of custom ones out there. There's a lot of store-bought ones, but custom ones.
She make me wanna stay it. A pussy 1,000 on the ratings. Make me wanna claim it. Fuck good now, even better when she faded. Ay, she made me wanna lay.
Hey, you guys came up. Show me what you got.
Just at 3 a.m.
Hey, go Dogs.
Gotta go back where she came from.
Go Dogs.
Or cats. Which one do we get? Which one do we get? Dogs. Dog. In Philippines, you eat the dog. In the Philippines, you eat the dog.
Not cat.
But dog.
I eat dog. When I came to America, no more.
No more. Now you eat lots of chicken only.
Chicken now.
You grow the chicken and you eat the chicken.
Don't know what she needs. Shit is make believe. Shit is make believe. Make believe. Shit is make believe. Make believe. Yeah, make believe. Hey, college girl don't know what she want. College girl don't know what she need. I like college girl, I ain't go front, but college girl smoke on my weed. Said she never been this high. Talk about it, girl, cause we broken inside. Said she got a man back home, but he ain't here now. So she really wanna be mine, but that's okay for the night. You could be my baby.
Hey, my mom, she's really getting into tailgate. She's really enjoying this right now with her Solo cup. Wait, she doesn't even have a Solo cup. Where is it? Where's your cup? Love it. Where's your cup? Yeah. We're ready. We're ready for it.
You could be my baby for the night. Get up on the way for the night. Kinda feel bad cause a boyfriend calling, but the head making it right.
What's up, guys?
Hey, she make me wanna lay up, but she cannot stay up. Just at 3 a.m.
that's from Astoria. I want to point out that those pants are gold. The pants are gold.
Losing sight, that's where it starts. A college girl, don't know what she wants, don't know what she needs. Shit is make-believe. She's a college girl, she'll break your heart. You're losing sight, that's where it starts. A college girl, don't know what she wants, don't know what
Hey,
she needs.
toast it up, guys. You guys toast it up. Where's Pat? Pat, you're covering your face. Cheers.
Okay.
Hi. Go, cheers. This is Mary Lou and Neil. Duong.
Young.
Young.
Yeah. Ooh, hey, when you get empties, can I have them so I can hang in my redneck wind chime? Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Oh, did you make that? I took video of that.
You did?
Yeah. I walked past it, I was shooting it.
They're the redneck clean.
My mom, have you met my mom? You know my mom.
Oh, your mom's in the car?
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Kennedy's cousin. You may have met him many times in the past. Yeah. Yeah.
Let me do fireball. You want tequila?
Go.
Wow.
Go Hawks!
To the top non-stop. Place a mash up when we tune them drop. Turn it up low to the top non-stop. Place a mash up when we tune them drop. Turn it up low to the top non-stop. Place a mash up when we tune them drop. Whole place back from the front to the back. When we are part of the thing, no shot.
Okay, Mom. You're now have been at the tailgate for 2 hours. How you doing? How you doing?
I love it. Let's go next year.
Non-stop, place a mash up when the tune them drop. Turn it up low to the top non-stop. Place a mash up when the tune them drop. Whole place back from the front to the back. When we are part of the thing them shot. Whole place back from the front to the back. People are move like the dance floor hot.